Mwah. Mwah. Hi, Bean. Hi, Bean. Hi, Bean. Hi, Bean. Are you ready for the kangaroo pouch? Are you ready for the Infantino? Yeah. You like to move around, don't you? Hello, everybody. My name is Brittany, and today I'm going to teach you all how to put on the convertible carrier, the Infantino convertible carrier. I like to call it the kangaroo pouch. And this is our son, Benjamin, and he's going to be my example for today. So it's important that you put your baby on a soft cushion like a bed or a couch, just in case. I've never had any problems as far as him falling or anything like that, but it's always best to be careful. Just be cautious, and it's always better to be safe than to be sorry. So what we're going to do is, we have our front. This is our front here. So we're going to lay the front down. And we also have straps. I'm going to unstrap this just so that you all can see. So this is what it looks like. When you may see it looking like a total mess when you take it out of the box. But just know that this part is the front. So you can lay the front down. And this is the back. Okay, now you have the back here connected together. Okay, that's the first thing you want to do. Then you put it inside. You go inside. Put it over your shoulder. Okay, now I have my straps here and my straps here. I have 4 straps in front of me. I'm going to connect it together. So I'm going to only connect the bottom. Okay. I'm just only going to connect the bottom. Then I have this strap here. I'm going to connect it around my waist. Yeah. Yay, Beanie. All right. Make sure that's secure. Make sure this is secure. Right, so this is what the back looks like. So this is what it should look like around your shoulders. Or on your shoulders, should I say. Okay, so you have the strap in the back. And then you also have the strap around your waist. And then you should have 2 straps at the bottom. Okay, I haven't strapped the top yet because I'm going to do that after I put him inside. Yeah, Vinny, you're so excited. Are you excited? Are you excited? You're such a good baby. All right, so now we're going to put the baby inside. I like to put him facing out because if he faces in, then he might want to eat and like, oh, I want to eat. But if he faces out, then he can be distracted for a little while longer and he can look around and sightsee and everything like that. So I like to put him face out, and what I do is I hold him with one hand, and this is if you have to put him in by yourself. So I hold him and I put one leg in, then I put the other leg in. And remember, you always want to do it over a bed or a couch or some kind of soft cushion, just in case. Then you strap these 2 and you still hold the baby. Make sure that it's secure. If you want to tighten up your shoulders or if you want to tighten up the top here, that's fine. And you can put a bib in front and everything like that. But that is how you strap your baby in the Infantino. And then we get to walk around. Get to walk around, sightsee. And I like to clean up. So whenever I'm cleaning up the house, I can just carry our son
in the kangaroo pouch and walk him around, and he's totally fine. But if I leave him alone in a room by himself, then he's going to feel lonely and he's going to start crying, and that's just not going to be good for me because it's going to stop me from doing what I need to do around the house. So that is why this kangaroo pouch, or this Infantino, is very important to have. So thank you all for watching. I hope that this video helped you all, and please like, share, subscribe, and we will be posting more tutorials in the near future. Thank you.